Hi, everyone. Welcome to our special holiday edition on saving money. The holiday season can be expensive, but we've got some fantastic tips to help you keep your budget in check while still enjoying all the festivities. First things first, set a budget. Decide how much you want to spend on gifts, decorations, food, and activities. Sticking to a budget helps you avoid overspending and keeps your finances under control. Get creative with DIY decorations and gifts. Handmade items are not only personal and unique, but also cost-effective. Use materials you already have at home and involve the whole family in the fun crafting process. Plan your shopping early and look for sales and discounts Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and other holiday sales. Compare prices online and use apps that offer cashback or coupons to save more. Instead of hosting fancy holiday dinner, why not organize a potluck party? Ask your guests to bring a dish to share. This way, everyone contributes, and you save money on food while enjoying a variety of dishes. During the holidays, energy costs can skyrocket with all the lights and decors. Use LED lights, which are more energy efficient and last longer. Consider setting timers for your holiday lights to reduce electricity usage. Give the gift of experiences instead of physical items. Plan a family outing, a special dinner, or a fun activity that creates lasting memories. Gifts that are more meaningful and can be more affordable. Recycle holiday decorations from previous years. You can also repurpose items like jars, ribbons, and wrapping paper to create new decor. This not only saves money, but also reduces waste. And there you have it. Remember, the key is to plan ahead, get creative, and enjoy the season without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching, and happy holidays!